What is up and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to wash a dirt bike. Alright, so today's goal, as you guys can see, I borrowed a mate of mine's KDX 200 and we're going to try and tear it down and see what parts fit on the 250 project. But that's going to be in another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I wash my dirt bikes, and there are better ways to do it, but I'm going to show you kind of things you want to do, things you don't want to do, and yeah, we'll jump into it. So what I just use clean green, or you can use any generic degreaser. I've got a little diluted mix here. If you don't have clean green or degreaser, I found that dish soap, it works perfectly fine. And then I got my two brushes to get into all the spots, and then in here I've got another diluted mix of degreaser and some car wash. Alright, and your garden hose and all pressure washer. So things you want to try and avoid: you don't want to hit the wheel bearings, the fork seals, the swing arm bearings, or the linkages, or the rear wheel bearings too much with the water, because you stand a big chance of washing out the grease, and obviously that's going to wear out your bearings a lot quicker. So with all that covered, I'm going to strap you guys onto my head with the head mount, and we're going to jump into it. Alright, so we got the bike washed. It's not super clean. I just cleaned it enough to, so we can work on it, take off the plastics, and not get completely filthy. So that's it for this video. In future, I'm going to try and do things a bit more in detail and record it a bit more in detail, but as I get more experience with the YouTube thing, I'll make some better videos. So remember to hit the subscribe button, hit like, and also check out the Mud and Dust Media Facebook page. Give that a like if you want, and that's it. Peace out.